Hello, namaste. My name is Sarian and I'm from class 6. Today in this video, we're going to discuss about a maths topic which is about BODMAS. So before starting the video, I welcome you to your own channel, Prince Master Champ Education with Fun. So the topic of today's video is BODMAS. Now, BODMAS is a bit difficult topic, but not that. So let me just explain you in our today's video. So, what is the content of our today's video? Today in this video, we're going to learn about what is a BODMAS. We're going to have a lot of BODMAS quizzes. We're going to have a DMAS quizzes also. So, let us think of a situation. Let us just think of a situation. So, there were two children. Okay, there were two children named Jenny and Ron. Jenny and Ron were two children. Okay, they both of these children are very good in maths, but they didn't knew about what is DMAS. So, if of course, if a child doesn't know about DMAS, they also do not know about BODMAS. So basically, what happened is I gave both of them a single question. I gave a single question to both of them. Let us check what question I have given. So here is Jenny and Ron solved a mathematical expression separately. Over here, as you can see, I have given a question over here 6 multiplied by 3 plus 2. This question is solved by these two children. So now over here, you can see here what Jenny has, how Jenny has solved, and over at that right side, you can see how Ron has solved. Right is always right, but that's not truth. But still, you can see both of them have got a different answer. One has got 30, one has got 20. Now they both were confused which is the correct answer. So where there is only two options, so there the confusion starts between the people, which could be the correct answer. That is why what they did is they asked me about this. So what I just did, I just took off my pen and then I just marked out the wrong and the correct answer. So the wrong answer was from Jenny. Jenny has got the wrong answer of this question, and John has got the correct answer. Now you will be asking why that's so. Both of them has solved them quite easily because in Jenny she has resolved 3 plus 2 which is 5 and 6 multiplied by 5 which is 30, which is exactly correct. So the white is wrong, and also John is also right. 6 into 3 he has got is 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. He has also got the correct answer. Then why I have crossed off Jenny? That is what we are going to learn in our today's video. So, for example, now you have got this. This was our first example. Now you saw how the confusion started between both of them. Okay, so for overcoming this confusion between everyone, what great mathematicians did is they invented one thing which is known as BODMAS. Basically, it is a standard rule for the simplification of numbers, simplification of numerical expression. Now, what is a numerical expression? Where we have an expression where we just have an expression where more than two operations or more than one operations are used is known as a numerical expression. For example, here you can see I have given them the question 6 into 3 plus 2. So here multiplication is there, addition is there. So to solve this, we just need BODMAS. So this numerical expression can be solved by BODMAS and DMAS. Now you will be saying, "Oh my God, what is BODMAS, and what the hell is the DMAS?" Now let me just explain. So BODMAS is nothing. Math is all about logic and some standard rules that makes our calculation easier. So in one of the videos, I have just explained you about one of the Vedic maths. Part two of that is coming soon. Okay. So here it is saying that math is all about logic and some standard rules to make our calculation easier. What are the examples of any kind of standard rule? So, for example, we have any kind of standard rule, let me say. For example, if I will say you need to add from the right side to the left side. Okay, that is one standard rule of mathematics. So, like that, BODMAS is another standard rule for mathematics. So let me just say what is BODMAS. BODMAS is one of those standard rule for simplifying the expressions that have multiple operations. So how many operations are there in mathematics? A general knowledge question. Yeah, basically, in mathematics there are four operations. What are these? These are division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So let us check what is DMAS first, and then we will jump to the BODMAS. So what is BODMAS? uh, BODMAS is basically this kind of standard rule which helps us to find the answer of the questions like this. To find the answer of this kind of question, we use the rule called what? BODMAS. So what is BODMAS? So DMAS is something that D for is division, okay? D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Understood? D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now let us understand it with an example. So over here at the top, I have written DMAS for you so that you can just remember the formula and find the answer. So now, as you can see over here, this question that 24 divided by 8 multiplied by 4 plus 13 minus 9. Now, can you just see the answer of this question? Oh, yeah. At the first, it seems like it is very difficult. But believe me, this is very easy. So let us solve it together. So this is how we exactly solve it. So for example, this number we have. So you're going to say me that if this number, first what we need to do, at the top I have written D marks for you. So we have division first. So let us do the division. So 8 divided by 24. Is that how you say it? No. It is 24 divided by 8. So what is our answer? Our answer is 3. So let us write the rest of the parts. 3 into 4 plus 13 minus 9. Now, 3 fours are 3 into 4, 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12 plus 13 minus 9. Then now we have done the multiplication m, and we have a means addition. So let's do the addition. 12 plus 13 is equal to, yeah, that's simple, 25, and then minus 9, which is of course a subtraction, 60. So now I hope you have understood this. Now I have a quiz question for you. So the quiz is, uh, here I'm going to just give the quiz. So in this quiz, basically, I'm not going to explain you the answer, but you need to find out the answer by your own. Okay, you need to find the answer by your own. So if you have got the wrong answer of this question, then be sure to recheck, because this time I'm not going to help you because these are quizzes. So now the question is 7 plus 4 multiplied by 9. Now you have got the freedom to answer. And so please pause the video and give the answer of this question in the comment box. So if you have find out the answer, then I must say that the correct answer for this question would be option number A, 43. Okay, so here is the answer. Correct answer is A. So now let us go to the next thing. Now I have one homework for you, which you can give it and the as a comment in the comment box. So this is your homework. This long question is have to be solved by you, and you need to give the answer of it in the comment box. So if you have done that, let's move on to the next topic. Now All these things that I have just explained to you now was about BODMAS. I mean DMAS. So this was basically DMAS. And now we're going to learn about, of course, DMAS big brother. Who? BODMAS. Now who's BODMAS? Let me just introduce BODMAS to you. So hey friend BODMAS, meet my dear audience. They are here to learn about you. So here BODMAS is saying that my full form is B for bracket, O for order of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Okay, now Bodmas, can you say a fun fact about yourself to all of my audience? Yes, of course. So, dear friends, Bodmas is saying that now what you have learned, which is DMAS, is basically the part of Bodmas. Now, can you see BODAMS, DMAS? DMAS is itself a part of Bodmas. So, dear Bodmas, now can you just explain this extra two things, which is bracket and order of? Our audience cannot understand you. They have understand your smaller brother Dimas, but they cannot understand you. Okay, then I should explain you. So, our Bodmas sir has explained us about their B and O. So let me just explain it to you. So B means bracket. Bracket basically there are five types of bracket. I mean four types of bracket. What are those brackets? The brackets are, first one is square bracket. Remember, first one is square bracket, second one is curly bracket, third one is parenthesis or round bracket. It will be better if you say it parenthesis, okay? Parenthesis. Now, after that, we have bar bracket. Over here, you cannot find out bar bracket because I'm not added it here, because now we don't need to understand about bar bracket. Now we just need to understand the main three, which are square bracket, curly bracket, and parenthesis. So let's learn about them. So basically, like the DMAS, we're going to learn the BODMAS as well. Over here, as you can see at the top, I have just written the BODMAS so that you can get and help to find out the answer of this question. So, but still, for you, I have just already answered this question. 7 into, in bracket, 3 plus 5 minus 6. Another thing, I just want to say you, this, this B and O, B for bracket. This is a very important person. Okay, this is a very important part of BODMAS. You know why? Because first we need to solve this bracket, and then we just need to go to the other parts. Now, as it comes at the top. So you can just remember it like that, that B is the PM. PM means Prime Minister. B is the Prime Minister. O is the Chief Minister. Okay, first, the very most importance must be given to whom? Of course, it must be given to the brackets. Okay, and the second most importance must be given to Chief Minister. I mean, the order of. Okay, order. Now, you will be confused. What is order? Order just means multiplication. Okay, so let's simplify this question first. So, let us find the answer. 7 into in bracket 3 plus 5 minus 6. So over here, as you can see, we have the first member or the first importance, first VIB person is what? It is B for bracket. So let's find the answer of this bracket. So 3 plus 5. What's the answer? 8. So now, after we have solved the important person, now, oh my god, Bodmas, you are really funny. After just doing a lot of work, after just servicing our VIPs, now we have got a Piddu question. This we are going to solve it in a second. So, how are we going to solve it? I have just explained you DMAS and you just need to apply DMAS. Okay, or simple Bodmas. So after you have just applied everything, DMAS, BODMAS, whatever you need to apply, you will get the answer as, of course, 36. Now, I have a quiz for you. Okay, I have a question for you. Quiz. Okay, I'm not going to say the explanation from the sides. So here is the quiz: 8 divided by 2 multiplied by in bracket 2 plus 2. Okay, let me just explain this. But the correct answer of this question will be option number A. Now, why it's so? Because let me just explain it to you. Uh, so, first, what you're going to do? First, you're going to solve the brackets. So, let's solve the bracket 2 plus 2, 4. Now, then we just need to do the division. So, 8 divided by 2. How much is the answer? This is difficult question of the world. Oh my god, how difficult it is, isn't it? So 2 plus 2 is a really difficult question, right? We cannot solve it. We need a thousand of calculation, isn't it? Of course, after doing so much of calculation, we got the answer as 4. Okay, I was just kidding. So now you got the answer as 4. So 8 divided by 2, what is our answer? Our answer will be 4. Now we have 4 into 4. Now, of course, what's the answer? 4 fours are 16. Simple. So that is why our answer to this question is 16. Now let us see another example of what? Of. I mean of. Okay, I'm confused. We are going to have an example of. Yeah, you can understand. Okay, here the question of this. So 4 of 10 plus 5. Now 4 of 10, what this mean? This means that 4 of 10 plus 5. So off means, okay, multiplication. So let's do it. So the answer to this question would be 45. How? Now 4 of 10 means 4 into 10. 4 into 10 is, now we've got now plus 5. Then 4 into 10 is 40 plus 5, 45. Of course, you got it in just a snap. Okay? So, guys, I hope you understood everything. Every question that I have given you, everything. Like, I hope you have liked this situation, that Jenny and John situation. I hope you understood the BODMAS, DMAS, and the most important thing is, I think you have understood the BODMAS and all the quizzes that I have given you. I just want you to just practice these questions at your copy. Now, most importantly, you just need to give the answer of your homework question that I have given to you. This is very important for you because this is a kind of brain teaser. Okay, so let at the last, I just want to say thank you so much for just thank you so much for watching this video, and for such more fun and amazing videos. Be sure to subscribe my channel, like, and also say your thoughts at this channel only. So I will be meeting you in the next video. Then till then, bye and see.